Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, has proven to be a useful tool in transportation agencies' efforts to analyze and factor climate change considerations into decision-making processes and applying GIS tools to implement climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies. In areas that have established greenhouse gas emissions targets, transportation agencies can utilize GIS to help identify effective transportation strategies to help reach overall greenhouse gas emissions, or GHG, reductions goals. GIS technologies provides a visual framework for conceptualizing and understanding how transportation contributes to a region's GHG emissions profile. This ability will help planners to develop more effective GHG reduction policies. GIS tools analyze GHG emissions associated with projects and transportation plans and identify opportunities to reduce or remove GIS emissions from the atmosphere. GIS is not only useful for environmental understanding, strategic decision-making, and climate change monitoring, but also important in predictions for disaster risks in forest and agriculture sectors. Growing forests while stopping deforestation is an easy and fast way to reduce carbon dioxide, or CO2, in the atmosphere and mitigate global warming. Successful reforestation programs are possible to implement because of deforestation identification on GIS maps. The GIS-based framework is extremely useful in understanding a global-scale Earth system. GIS technologies are important in monitoring carbon content and makes forest carbon mapping possible. It is useful in geographic planning and environmental changes identification and to implement action plans. GIS statistical functions, which are applicable in climate projections, currently provides climate change detection, which is displayed in maps, graphs, charts, and are used for analyzing purpose.